A contractor will check everything from your interior vents, thermostat, and air ducts, right down to the furnace, where they'll conduct a thorough exam of all moving parts and connections, lubricating and tightening as required. The contractor will also be checking your furnace's air filter. Checking the filter is also something you can do yourself between system checks from an HVAC professional. Believe it or not, a dirty filter can cause a complete system shutdown by forcing your furnace to work too hard. There are a lot of steps that need to be taken to successfully transition your home's HVAC system from summer to winter, and the person best qualified to do that is an HRAI member contractor. All HRAI member contractors are pre-screened to ensure they have the proper insurance coverage, valid trade certificates and licenses, and have agreed to uphold the HRAI member code of ethics. To learn more or locate an HRAI member contractor near you, go to the Heating, Refrigeration, and Air Conditioning Institute of Canada's website and find the contractor locator page, or call 1-877-467-4724. You'll be glad you did.